Every day, millions of tons of goods move across the United States, fueling businesses, connecting industries, and driving our economy forward. Behind this movement is the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, ensuring that America's waterways remain open, safe, and efficient. For nearly 200 years, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has played a vital role in maintaining and improving the nation's navigation system. Our mission? To provide safe, reliable, and environmentally sustainable waterborne transportation systems that support commerce, national security, and recreation. The USACE navigation system is vast and essential. It includes 13,000 miles of coastal and deep draft channels, 12,000 miles of commercial inland and intracoastal waterways, 1,072 coastal, Great Lakes, and inland harbors, 237 lock chambers at 192 sites, serving 45 states across the country. This network directly impacts the U.S. economy, supporting nearly $2 trillion in commerce each year. More than 48% of the goods Americans rely on pass through harbors maintained by USACE. USACE keeps Americans' waterways open and efficient through dredging, lock and dam maintenance, channel widening and deepening, and environmental restoration using the dredged material beneficially to restore wetlands and shorelines. Every year, USACE removes millions of cubic yards of sediment from harbors and waterways, keeping channels deep, preventing bottlenecks, and ensuring the safe passage of commercial and military vessels. Waterways are the backbone of American trade. In 2022 alone, 1.6 billion short tons of foreign goods and 760 million short tons of domestic goods move through U.S. ports and waterways. 15% of U.S. domestic freight was carried by water. Compared to rail and trucking, waterborne transportation is still the more energy-efficient and cost-effective method for moving cargo. Like any powerful engine, our nation's navigation system requires fuel to keep running. That fuel comes from two critical funding sources, the Harbor Maintenance Trust Fund and the Inland Waterways Trust Fund. Funded by a tax on imported cargo, the HMTF ensures that our coastal and deep draft harbors remain dredged, navigable, and ready to handle the growing volume of goods moving through U.S. ports. The Inland Waterways Trust Fund is funded by a tax on commercial barge fuel, directly supporting the construction, rehabilitation, and modernization of locks and dams, ensuring that goods can move efficiently across America's heartland. Together, these funds enable USACE to invest in dredging, infrastructure upgrades, and navigation improvements, keeping America's waterways open for business. Navigation has been at the heart of USACE's mission since 1824. From the early days of improving the Ohio and Mississippi rivers to today's cutting-edge innovations, USACE remains committed to keeping America's waterways safe, efficient, and sustainable. At USACE, we don't just maintain waterways, we build the foundation for economic growth, global trade, and national security. The future of navigation is strong, and the Corps of Engineers is leading the way.